Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an IVS homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 3. Our today's topic is Elementary Mathematics book, page 37, Subtraction. It means that in today's class we will do some subtraction. Okay, dear students, let us see. I will solve some question in this class, and depending on today's class I have given some question for your homework. Okay, dear students, let us see. Our today's topic, EMB page 37, subtraction. From activity 1 I have written 4 questions, 5, 6, 11, 12. Okay, so see question 5 at first. Dear students, this is a subtraction. We have to subtract 379 from 853. It means that to do the subtraction we have to start from the right side. It means that we have to start from the last digit. It means ones place. This is ones place, so we have to subtract ones place from ones place, tens place from tens place, and 100 place from 100 place. Okay, so at first subtract 9 from 3. It's not possible to subtract 9 from 3 as 3 is smaller than 9, so we can't subtract. For this we have to consider 1 with 3. So if we consider here 1, this will be 13. Now if we subtract 9 from 13, it will be 4. It will be 4. So as I have taken 1, we have to consider that one with 7. This will be 8. Now we have to subtract 8 from 5, but it's not possible as 5 is smaller than 8. So we have to consider again here 1 with 5. This will be 15. If we subtract 8, this will be 7. This will be 7. So as I have taken 1 again, so we have to consider that one with 3. So now this will be 4. If we subtract 4 from 8, this will be 4. 474. This one is the answer of first question. Okay, dear students. So I hope you have understood the answer of first one. Okay, now then question 6. Second one, question 6. Now again we have to subtract 5 from 3, as this is the first place or ones place, unit place. Okay, subtract 5 from 3. It's not possible as 5 is greater than 3. So we have to consider here 1. So this will be 13. If we subtract 5 from 13, this will be 8. This will be 8. So now give here 1. This will be 7. As I have taken 1 with 3. So this will be 7, subtract 7 from 6. No, 6 is smaller than 7, so we can't subtract. So again we have to consider 1 with 6. So this will be 16. If we subtract 7 from 16, this will be 9. This will be 9. Subtract 7 from 16, so this will be 9. As I have taken here 1, we have to consider that one with 4. This will be 5. Subtract 5 from 9. Subtract 5 from 9. So this will be 4 again. 498. 498. This is the answer of second question. Question 6. 498. Okay, dear students. Now go to question 11. Go to question 11. Okay, now see. These two subtractions, these two multiplications are known as horizontal multiplication. Now we will do vertical multiplication here. Subtract 8 from 2. Subtract 8 from 2. It's not possible as 2 is greater than, as 8 is greater than 2. So consider here 1. This is 12. If you subtract, this will be 4. If you subtract 8 from 12, this will be 4. Now as I have taken 1 with 2, so give this one here. This will be 0 and 1 will be 1. So subtract 1 from 4, this will be 3. Now nothing remaining, it means nothing we have taken, so we have to just subtract 6 from 3. So this will be 3. So answer is 3, 3, 4. 3, 3, 4. So answer of this question is 334. Now go to the next question. Question 12. Now we have to subtract 6 from 1. Subtract 6 from 1. As 1 is less than 6, so we can't subtract. So we have to consider here 1. So this will be 11. If we subtract 6, so what will be? Here will be 5. If we subtract 6 from 11, this will be 5. Now, as I have taken 1, we have to give this here. It will be 10. Okay, is it possible to subtract 10 from 4? No. So we have to consider here again 1. This will be 14. So subtract 10 from 14. This will be 4. This will be 4. So we can write here 4. Now, as I have taken 1, so consider here this one. This will be 2. Subtract 2 from 3. We will get 1. 145. So this is the answer of question 12. 145. Okay, dear students. Now I will solve 4 questions from activity 2. First 2 questions in horizontal form. So we have to know horizontal subtraction. Here we have to subtract 3 at first from 1. As 1 is less than 3, so we can't subtract. So we have to consider here 1. This will be 11. We have to subtract 3. So this will be 8. So we can write here 8. As I have taken 1, considered 1, so give that one here with 5. This will be 6. We have to subtract from 2, but 2 is smaller than 6, so we have to consider 1. This will be 12. So subtract 6 from 12, we will get 6. So we can write here 6. Now this is 7, and as we have taken here 1, we have to consider that with 2. So this will be 3. Subtract 3 from 7, you will get 4. So answer of question 5 is 468. 468. So answer of this question is 468. 468. Okay, now go to question 6. We have to subtract 9 from 3. We have to subtract 9 from 3. It's not possible to subtract 9 from 3 as 9 is greater than 3. So we have to consider here 1. This will be 13. So subtract 9 from 13. This will be 4. Now, as I have taken 1 with 3, we have to give that one with 4. So this will be 5. We have to subtract from 1, but 1 is less than 5. So we have to consider here 1. This will be 11. So if we subtract 5 from 11, this will be 6. This will be 6. So we can write here 4, 6, and here I have taken here 1. So we have to consider 1 with 2. This will be 3. Subtract from 5. So this will be 2. 264. 264 is the answer of question 6. Now I have to go to the next question. The next question is 11. Question 11. We have to subtract 9 from 7, but 7 is smaller than 9, so we can't subtract. If we can't subtract, then we have to consider 1. This is 17. We have to subtract 9. So if we subtract 9 from 17, this will be 8. So we can write here 8. As I have taken 1, we have to consider with this 7. So this will be 8. This will be 8. We have to subtract from 1. So 1 is smaller than 8, so we can't subtract. We have to consider 1 with 1 again. So if we subtract, what will be 3? So write here 3. But as I have taken 1 with 1, so we have to give that here. So this will be 2 now. If we subtract 2 from 3, this will be 1. 138. 138. So answer of question 11 is 138. 138. 138. So I'll write the last question today. I'll solve now. Okay, now see, it's not possible to subtract 7 from 1. So consider 1 with 1. This will be 11. Subtract 7. You will get 4 here. So write 4. Now, as I have considered 1 here, we have to give that one here. This will be 4. So subtract 4 from 1 again, but it's not possible to subtract. So we have to consider 1 with 1 again. This will be 11. So this will be 7. If we subtract 4 from 11, this will be 7. Now, as I have taken 1 with 1, so we have to give that 1 here with 4. So, this will be 5. As we have to subtract 5 from 7, this will be 2. So, we can write here 2. So, our answer of last question is 274. 274. Okay, dear students. So, I have solved 8 questions in today's class. Following my today's lecture, do these 4 questions as your homework from activity 1, question 9 and 10, and from activity 2, question 9 and 10. This is from EMB page 37. Okay, dear students, do this 4 subtraction properly as your homework and submit your homework on next Saturday in the school campus from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Okay, dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.